What if I told you in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal 5 cities where home prices are about to go crazy? We're not guessing here, this isn't some random opinion. We got our hands on Zillow's brand new home price outlook, the same data that big-time investors pay thousands for, and it's pointing to some seriously explosive growth in places you might not expect. You are about to get an inside look at the data that could make you a fortune. I spent the last 72 hours analyzing Zillow's report, job growth, migration patterns, and local economic data. Most people will miss this, stuck on Austin or Miami, but the real money is getting in before everyone else. Today I'm giving you the keys to the kingdom. Using Zillow's latest home price outlook, here are 5 US cities primed for near-term gains. Let's go. Kicking off our countdown at number 1, Atlantic City, New Jersey. Atlantic City, the casino town, look past the stereotypes. The data is screaming opportunity. Zillow projects a 5.4% rise in home prices here. That's the highest projection on our list. The number 1 spot to watch. For years people overlooked this city. Now the smart investors are paying attention. Nearby metros like New York City, people are getting priced out and searching for alternatives. Atlantic City offers a coastal lifestyle at a fraction of the cost. Median home prices are only $220,000. That affordability is creating a wave of demand. Prices are rising fast. Weekends flood the city with tourists for casinos, the boardwalk, and the beaches. That drives massive short-term rental demand on platforms like Airbnb and VRBO. Year-round demand puts a floor under the market and draws investors, a feedback loop. Targeted local investments are diversifying the economy. Projects, infrastructure, and new industries. Affordability, insane rental demand, tangible local investment. That trio is why Zillow is bullish with a 5.4% projection. Early signs point to a massive surge. The data doesn't lie. All signs point to the Jersey Shore. Coming in next on our list is Rockford, Illinois. This market is a gem, with a forecasted 5.1% rise in home prices. Why? It's the perfect escape hatch from high-cost, congested Chicago. Rockford is positioned to catch that outflow. It offers a quiet, affordable lifestyle while staying close enough to the big city. The median home price is only $173,000. Sell a modest Chicago condo, buy a bigger Rockford home with a yard, and still have cash left. Families and young professionals are cashing out of Chicago for a better quality of life. That influx is putting upward pressure on prices. Rockford is undergoing a renaissance. Major projects are transforming the city. New restaurants, shops, and public spaces are elevating lifestyle. A more robust, diversified local economy adds stability to housing. Rockford is projected for 5.1% as buyers flee Chicago, and redevelopment drives demand. It's the classic sleeper market waking up. Push from a major metro plus a city improving itself. Remember the name, Rockford. Our number 3 city is hiding in plain sight. Concord, New Hampshire. Zillow projects a 5.1% gain in home prices. Its simple, powerful formula: stability, high demand, and a chronic housing shortage. Steady in migration, especially from Massachusetts, driven by no state income tax and an outstanding quality of life. As the capital, Concord offers stable government jobs and a strong private sector. This creates a resilient, fundamentals-driven market. Job stability fuels reliable demand. Like many New England towns, supply is tight and new land is scarce. Stringent zoning and limited buildable land keep inventory low. Floods of buyers compete for few homes, prices go up. That supply and demand squeezes the opportunity in Concord. 5.1% projection supported by in-migration, stable jobs, and tight supply. Many new listing draws multiple offers. For owners it feels like a winning ticket. Concord is one of the most promising bets for appreciation. Next, Knoxville, Tennessee, a star of the New South. This market is on fire. Zillow is forecasting a 5.0% jump in home prices. It blends affordability, job growth, and unbeatable quality of life. That mix is a magnet for young professionals, retirees, and savvy investors. The ingredients are set for a price pop. University of Tennessee, Oak Ridge National Laboratory, and Covenant Health, high-paying careers in education, energy, and healthcare. Add expanding tech, finance, and manufacturing. New residents pour in and need housing. Vacancies are low and rents are climbing. That means strong cash flow on day one and solid buy and hold potential. Nestled by the Great Smoky Mountains with endless outdoor recreation, a vibrant, walkable downtown, a thriving food scene, and live music. Big city amenities without the cost and traffic. Jobs, rental demand, regional appeal. Zillow's 5.0% projection reflects real momentum. Demand will intensify, and the upside could be even bigger. And finally, rounding out our top 5, a true underdog, Saginaw, Michigan. Zillow predicts a 4.9% rise. One force dominates: extreme affordability. Once a Rust Belt struggler, but things are changing. A stabilizing regional economy and rock-bottom prices are attracting investors. This is a ground floor opportunity. Median home prices are among the lowest in the country, only $125,000. You're paying a fraction of big city costs. Buyers and investors can get in with minimal capital, low purchase prices, solid rental demand, and attractive returns. National investors and funds are buying by the dozen, a turning signal. Healthcare, education, and advanced manufacturing show steady recovery and job creation. Affordability, regional stabilization, and investor interest drive the 4.9% outlook. Downside is limited. Upside grows as recovery compounds. Don't sleep on Saginaw. Atlantic City, Rockford, Concord, Knoxville, Saginaw. We've given you the data and the reasons. Now it's your move. If you found this useful, like and subscribe for more data-first housing updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time.